What's up everyone? Welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to hard reset on Oppo A5 Pro. That is a brand new one from Oppo, and it got the RAM 8 plus 8 GB and the memory is 128 GB. Okay, so let's go to see how to do this. We do this because our phone is locked with the pattern or the passcode that we forgot. We cannot remember. Okay, so that we need to hard reset. Okay, so alright, firstly you need to turn off the phone by holding the volume up and the power together at the same time. Okay, up and power. Okay, and then just slide down to turn off the phone and wait for the powering off completely. Okay, the vibration sign is to show that the phone is already turning off. Okay, after that you have to hold the volume down and the power together at the same time. Okay, down and power, just hold it, and then you have to release the power and keep holding the volume down. Just keep holding it. Alright, after that we have to choose the English language by pressing the volume down and then the power to confirm. Okay, alright, so right here you have to choose the first one, that is format data, by pressing the power to confirm, and then after that you have to type the code up here. Okay, the code on your phone and my phone might be different. Okay, so right here is 6,000. Okay, just type 6,000, and then you have to select on the format, and the process of formatting data is working, and select on OK, and then the phone will automatically reboot to the menu, and it may take about 5 minutes for rebooting. So that's it for how to hard reset on Oppo A5 Pro. Thank you and goodbye. And sorry, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for the future video. Goodbye.